What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will take a look at the XRP price chart and also at the Stellar price chart and looking where we potentially going in the next time. But before we're getting started, as always, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. Feel free to check that out, it helps a lot. And now let's get straight into the analysis. You are seeing the XRP price chart right now on my screen, and we are seeing, or we saw, a huge upward movement, and now we are stuck in some sort of a sideways range. And now is the question, what will happen next? And what I think is most likely to happen next is the following. If we are watching the XRP chart right from the beginning, so this right here was the first big pump, and we can compare this a little. So in this move, XRP got from 0.5 cents up to almost 7 cents. And now if we are watching this with the Fibonacci retracement, you can see that it moved up, then we got a pullback, and then some sideways consolidation right here, and we moved down to the 61.8 retracement. And then after almost a month, then we start the next wave up, and then we are going from here, the low in the correction, 2.6 cents up to 40 cents. Wow, that's impressive. And there we got also the Fibonacci retracement. And then you can see after the big move up, we also had some sideways consolidation, slowly going down, but in general this is a sideways movement. And we also even got sometimes below the 61.8 retracement, and then always quickly come back up, but we are stuck there in a sideways range for almost more than half a year. And then the next major move up was happening, and now we can watch what is happening right now. Also, we had a nice move up, and now, oops, okay, this one, I need a new one. So we had a nice move up right here, and then a pullback, and now we are in some sort of consolidation. And right now you can see this right here is the 50 retracement, and this one here is the 61.8. so what is very likely for me right now is that we are going to do some more consolidation, maybe down here to the 50 retracement, and maybe even to the 61.8. so that means slowly moving down to the 50 cents or even to the 44.2 cents. The same, or almost the same, we have in Stellar. We can watch it here, also a nice move up. So Stellar is highly correlated to XRP, and then nice move up, pullback, and now some sort of consolidation. Here we are right now at the 38.2 retracement, maybe also coming down to test the 50 and potentially the 61.8 retracement, so also slowly moving down right here. I was not expecting this in Ripple to take this long because there is an upcoming airdrop, but it seems like that right now no one is this interested anymore in the airdrop, or they also check the other airdrops and seeing that the price of the airdrops is I think in every case much lower than the price of the of the coin from which it gets issued. So maybe this is also a factor right here, but right now it seems like that there is not this big hype anymore. But as you saw in the first move up here, we have 1 month of sideways movement. Here we also have over half of a year, and then the hype came back. So potentially this will also happen next in XRP and Stellar. As I said, these two coins are very correlated. Also, you can see that right here in the RSI, we got massively overbought right now. Coming back, right now we are at 60, pretty exact 60 in the RSI. This is way better than 92 right here. So we also needed a pullback and a consolidation. And one thing that is really bothering me right now in cryptos is this right here, the fear and greed index. It is still at a 92, and as you can see here in the chart, we are now almost 1 month just in the 90s, and this is not a very good sign. So this is something that really bothers me right now in crypto, because this is not a very good sign. This is also a very bad sign. But then also we have our buyer index. As I mentioned in the videos before, this is a self-developed indicator, and this is showing us how much buyers are in the crypto market right now. And of course, the more buyers, so for example, like here, this was back in February, March, before the big crash. So the more buyers, this is not a good sign. And if there are very few buyers, so for example, like here, this is also the stage where we start to accumulate cryptos. So very few buyers in the market, this is a very positive sign. And right now you are seeing that there are also very few buyers in the market. So from this perspective, it looks very good. But as I told you, this is a long-term indicator. So that means that the trend right now that we are in looks still very bullish. But in the short term, because of the fear and greed index, because almost everybody right now is extremely greedy, and this is not a very positive sign. I mean, you can always check that by yourself. Just go in some Facebook groups or just watch it on YouTube if you are in the crypto space. I bet you will get this on your YouTube page, where the title is potentially 100x or 1000x possible, or incredible gains, or whatever, something like this. So I bet you can see this on your YouTube page right now, and that is always not a good sign if everybody is greedy. So final summary, I'm expecting a little bit more of a pullback consolidation right here, so that the fear and greed index is going a little bit more down. I think it's unlikely that it will really go back into the fear, but in the 60s and the 50s, so where it gets neutral again, this would be very good for us. But in the long term, still we are, or I remain very bullish on cryptos, but I'm expecting some sort of continuation of this consolidation, or even a little bit bigger pullback, maybe to the 50s, maybe to the 61.8 in Ripple as well as in Stellar. Of course, also let me know what you think about this. Do you have another opinion? Of course, it would be nice if you write down your reason to this. So not just write no, it will go up, or yes, it will go down. So it would be nice if you add some facts to your opinion. And that's it for this video. If this video was helpful, then leave a like. Have a great weekend, and of course, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future updates. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.